Hi there, folks, and welcome to our What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 280. So, our first story, petrol and diesel prices have reached an all-time high. So, our question is, how much would it cost to fill from empty to full a Ford Fiesta with petrol when its tank has a capacity of 42 litres? So basically, it's going to be 42 lots of the price of 1 litre of petrol, which is 148.02 pence. So that comes to 6216.84. But before you start panicking just yet, that's in pence, of course. So to change to pounds, we divide by 100. So it's like 62.1684. And rounding that to two decimal places will be £62.17. Now I said don't panic just yet, but that is awful high, isn't it? Okay, so on to our UK story. So we've got a London pedicab driver charging £180 for a 3 minute trip. Shocking. How much would it have cost for an equivalent priced 1 hour journey? Well, we need to work out how many times the 3 minutes goes into an hour. So how many times does 3 minutes go into 60 minutes? So basically, he's charged, it would cost 20 times more for an hour journey. So it's going to be 20 lots of 180, which is 3,600. Now, he was made to hand the money back, and that's because he originally said that the journey would cost a tenth of that price. So what should the journey have cost? So we divide by 10 to get a tenth, and that's going to be £18. And hopefully he'll learn from that and not overcharge people again. Okay, so on to our sports story. Well done to the women's curling team for winning gold, and indeed the men's team for winning silver. So what we'll do now is we're working out some diameters in some circles from the house at the end of the pitch in a game of curling. So the blue circle is a diameter of 12 feet, so what about the white circle? Well, it's 12 all the way across, and the white circle is this 12, but with this 2 taken off and this 2 taken off. So it's basically going to be 12 take away 4, which is 8 feet. Now for the red circle, the white circle is 8 feet, and the red circle is that with this 2 taken off and this 2 taken off. In other words, this time it's 8 take away 4, which is 4 feet. So for the button, the small yellow circle in the middle, so the red circle is 4 feet. We're going to take off this 1.5 and take off this 1.5. So it's going to be 4 take away 3, which is just 1 foot. Well done to all our curlers. Okay, so on to our final story for the environment story. So a ship with thousands of supercars has caught fire in the middle of the ocean. They're saying it's something to do with the lithium batteries in the cars has made the fire an awful lot worse. Anyway, the cars have all burned and it's not a good situation. So we want to know the combined number of Volkswagen, Lamborghini and Audi cars lost in the fire. So we add the 1,100 Porsches and the 189 Bentleys to get 1,289 cars, and we take this off the total number of vehicles, which is 3,965, and that's 2,676 of these supercars gone just like that. There you have it, folks. That was our solutions for this week. Thanks for solving the problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.